Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to draw in the style of Kamwei Fong. So we're drawing a cat today and I'm starting with the basic shapes. So when you look at any item, whether it be a object or a animal, you look at the shape that makes it. So in this case I have a cone shape for the body, an oval for the head, a cylinder for the tail, and also cylinders for the paws and feet. I then start to outline my cat, including its ears and the shape of its tail and back legs. I then start to colour my cat in with my charcoal, and I want a nice light grey over the whole entire cat. Now I'm going to full forward this and you can see me, I'm adding colour just very lightly to the entire cat. I make sure that my eyes are left white and I do not smudge any charcoal into those white eyes. Make sure you smudge your exterior lines. I don't want them too bold and outlined. And as you can see, there was a bit of something on my sheet, so when I went to use my finger and smudge, it actually left this really dark smudge right in the middle of the cat, and that's because there was something greasy on my page, so try to avoid that. Now I start to add the fur, and I'm using small strokes in an upward direction. This is because I want the cat's fur to be pointing up and then out at the edges. Make sure you go back in and you add little spikes just to the outer of your line, so it looks more realistic and it makes your cat look fluffy. If it has this sort of harsh outline, it won't look as realistic. So make sure in every picture, to make it look more realistic, you need to have a little bit of ugly in there. So make sure you've got the imperfections, those little stray hairs poking out. It makes it look more realistic. Now I'm going to speed ahead and finish off the tail and start working on the body. Now when I go around the eyes, I start on the inside of the eyes and I move my strokes out towards the outside of the body. This is the direction that hair naturally falls on a cat, and even if you look at your eyebrows, there's little bits that start near your face and sort of go up and out. So try and follow that around on your cat. Now as you can see, I've added black to the base of my cat's front and back paws, and I've smudged at a diagonal direction away from the cat to make it look like it's got its shadow. I'm also adding a little bit of charcoal to my finger and spreading it up into the back so it looks like I've got the cat's tail in there as a shadow as well. Now as you can see, I'm not getting enough, so I'm actually rubbing the charcoal directly onto my finger, then smudging, because I don't want to draw lines on the paper for the cat's shadow. My final step is to add the pupils, which is the black part of your cat's eyes, to give it a little bit more character. Filling in any little blank spots or parts I think need a little bit more texture. You can always add more. Put your autograph on it and you're done.